Hey, how's it going, everybody? Mike at Das Trucks here with another walk around video. If you'd like to stay up to date on our current and active inventory, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you like what you're seeing, drop us a like. Today's truck is a 2017 Freightliner M2 106. Now this one is very identical to stock number Z1173. It's a one-owner truck, GVWR of 26,000 pounds, so it's non-CDL. It's got 88,141 miles. It's a 20-foot box with a ramp. And so we'll start off with the tires here. This truck has been fully reconned. These tires are pretty darn new, as you can see the sticker are on them. It's got two 50-gallon tanks. This truck is equipped with air suspension, air brakes, and an air ride seat. Checking out the box, here's your ramp. This box is equipped with 3 rows of E-tracks. And here's your dome light right up there. Kickboards as well. That's also a rollback door. Let's continue on to the passenger side. Here's your second fuel tank. Checking out the interior. This truck has been fully detailed on the inside and outside, including under the hood. Interior's in great condition, no rips or tears on the seats. Oh, let's start her up. Here's your 88,141 miles. Let's check out that engine. All right, here's your 6.7 liter Cummins ISB inline 6. Coupled with an Allison transmission. All the filters and fluids are new. Alright, and that will wrap it up for your 2017 Freightliner M2 106. Now, if you'd like to find out more information about this truck, such as, the common measurements of that box and all, that will be in our website, which I will link in the description below, as well as our phone number where you can contact us anytime you'd like. Alrighty, folks, as always, thank you all for watching, and have a great one.